Hi, I'm Dan, a coactive coach, and today I'm going to show you a simple 5-minute practice that can rewire your brain. And once you try it, your brain will actually start craving it every morning. This practice is so powerful that the world's most successful people swear by it, and they never skip it. I'm talking about morning meditation. No complicated techniques, no hour-long sessions, just 5 minutes that tap into your brain's reward system, giving you calm, focus, and unstoppable energy. This is what I call a healthy addiction, one that powers your day instead of draining it. Here's why your brain will love it. Our brains crave habits because they reduce mental effort and provide rewards. Even a short meditation triggers small dopamine boosts, making your brain want more calm, clarity, and focus. Once you try it, you'll start craving it every morning. Now, let's do it step by step. Step 1. Get comfortable. Sit upright in a chair or on a cushion, shoulders relaxed. Good posture lets your lungs expand fully, sending more oxygen to your brain and helping you feel alert and clear. Step 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel your chest rise and fall. This activates your body's relaxation response, lowers stress hormones, and makes you calm and present. Step 3. Set an intention. Think of one thing you want for your day, like, I approach today with focus and calm. This primes your brain for better decision-making and keeps you aligned with your goals. Step 4. Close gently. Take one last deep breath, open your eyes, and carry that calm energy into your morning. Even 5 minutes improves attention, emotional regulation, and focus. Your brain begins associating these minutes with positive feelings, making it crave this healthy habit. To make it irresistible, tie meditation to your existing routines. Pick a consistent time. Pair it with something enjoyable like coffee or music, and track your progress in a calendar or app. Celebrate the calm and focus you feel afterward. Your brain will naturally want to repeat it. Tomorrow morning, try this 5-minute meditation. Notice if your brain tries to trick you into skipping it. This is normal. But watch how it starts craving the clarity and energy instead. That's the healthy addiction kicking in. Comment below. Did your brain try to trick you into skipping it? Did you notice calm or focus afterward? And if you found this helpful, hit like, share it, and subscribe. Follow the channel for more coactive coaching tips and strategies to unlock your inner power every day. So the secret is simple and science-backed. 5 minutes of daily morning meditation rewires your brain for calm, focus, and unstoppable energy. This is the healthy addiction you want. Start tomorrow, feel the difference, and transform your mornings and your life.